Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, and today we're selling you a really nice 17 Ford Escape. Nice thing. This comes from Phoenix, so you don't get any corrosion on these aluminum hoods. Front bumper's in good shape, good tread on the tires. Nice and straight vehicle. Interior's in good shape. This one has leather, and it has a 2-liter 4-cylinder. It's a little bigger engine. 126, 646, heated seats. Power seat. Very, very nice car for its age and miles. Has the 4-wheel drive, of course, and the power rear hatch. Got a few little marks back there where people set stuff. Pretty common on tailgates. Not bad though. And a little rub right here. But overall, pretty straight. A little chip or a little splotch right there. But pretty nice vehicle for 17 with 120,000 miles, moonroof, so great options. And we warranty it, 12-month, 12,000 mile comprehensive warranty. Drivetrain, suspension, steering, fuel, AC, electrical. Been through our shop, serviced, lined, ready to go, and then we'll back it up for a year on the listed parts. And we recommend you purchase a longer contract, because with the cost of repairs anymore, it's a good idea for what they cost. But nice car, comes with warranty. 605-692-7010.